Student sexually assaulted at Oracabessa High School. An investigation has been launched. Hi again and welcome. This is Sch00l TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Sch00l TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sch00l TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sch00l TV News Report. The administrators of the Oracabessa High School have confirmed that they are conducting an investigation into an alleged sex crime committed against a female student around 4 o'clock on Monday afternoon whilst classes were in session. A source close to the student family told reporters that based on her account, a male attired in khaki uniform held a pair of scissors at her neck, coerced her into smelling a substance that rendered her unconscious, dragged her into a bathroom for females, raped her and left her on the floor. It is said that the student had cried for help but no one came to her rescue. Another student eventually went to use the bathroom and reportedly raised an alarm after seeing the girl on the floor laying naked. The victim was then taken to the Port Maria Hospital for treatment. Photos seen by reporters show bruises on the child's left hand and right thigh. The report further stated that she is now at home recuperating, but it stated that she is so traumatized and reluctant to return to school. A representative of her family met on Tuesday with the school's administrators, including the principal, Donovan Thomas. We had an unfortunate situation, but the matter is an active investigation, and there is not much that I can say at this time about the situation, Thomas said to reporters. He further stated that since the alleged incident, security had been increased at the school. Since then, we have increased the level of security on campus. We have also have an active level of security on the compound. We have a main gate and there is a security post, Thomas said to reporters. Sch00l TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.